Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to create a S3 backup job in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. Before creating a S3 backup job, you need to first add the object storage to Vinchin Backup and Recovery and get the object storage licensed for backup. Just click Resources, Object Storage. Click Add. Select Vendor for object storage. The service endpoint field is optional. Enter the username, password, and assign a name to your object storage. Click OK. Click License to finish configuration. Go to S3 Backup. Click Backup. Select a target object storage and select the files or folders you want to back up. Select a backup node to run this backup job. Configure the backup strategies. You can select full backup, incremental backup, and set up schedules for them. Also, there are other useful strategies like data compression and data encryption. And you can set up retention policy, transmission strategy, and choose advanced strategies according to your needs. Just submit the job. Let's start the job. Now the backup job is complete. You can see the backup data here. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.